And welcome to this second part of the KCL question we're solving in the part A of applied electricity for the Kirchhoff laws. So this is the determinant we arrive at. This is the main determinant, and I told us that we're going to be solving delta 1, delta 2, and delta 3. So here we want to calculate the main determinant first. And how do we go about that? From our basic knowledge of matrix and determinants, when you take the first number in the matrix, the first row, first column, you are going to block all the majors and focus on the minors. What are the minors? This 4 here. Just if you are doing x and no, you just if you play on the straight line, you win. So that's just like the method we are using. Block this, and focus on this remaining 4. So the same thing. If you pick the second number, you block this, and focus on the remaining 4. If you pick this number 2, you block this, and you focus on this 4. So that's what we are going to be doing. So from here we have our theta is equals to 0. So this multiplied by this is what? 0. Then minus this multiplied by this is 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 4. We get, so we pick the second one, minus. In matrix and determinants, remember this law, plus minus plus, you have to take note. So minus, let's pick the second number, block this, and pick this. This minus this is what? 0. Minus this. That minus is a normal law in between. That minus must be in between the 4 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix that are dealing with after you cut all the majors. So this we are done for this. This multiplied by this should be minus 3 over 2 times 2 is 4. So after that, let's pick the third one. You have plus, and we also have minus beside it. So plus and minus will be minus 3 over 2 into, we block this, and we face this. This multiplied by this, that's 1 over 4. 1 over 4 minus this multiplied by this, minus will cancel minus here, and 2 will also cancel 2 here, so we have minus 3 left. We have 3 left, so that no minus have cancelled minus. So we solve normally. This one is gone already because this will amount to what? To 0. This it will amount to 0. So this minus this. Minus this is minus it is minus here, so it will be plus. So you now have you already have 0 here. So this one will be minus this plus minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. So let's do that. Minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. We have 1 over 4 minus, we have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, as you can see, because this one has a bigger value than this. So here we have minus 3 over 2. Let's calculate for this first. 1 over 4 minus 3. We have minus 11 over 4, then multiply it by minus 3 over 2. You have 33 over 8. You have 33 over 8. That's plus 33 over 8. So let's calculate all of this and see what we get. 1 over 4 plus 33 over 8. 35 over 8, which is 4.37 or 38. 4.38. So let's begin for, we are going to begin for delta 1 now. Our delta 1. So I told us we are going to bring this 1 by 3 matrix to the first one for the delta 1. So we are going to be having minus 4, 0, 0. Then this one will remain normal. 1 over 2 minus 2, 1 over 2, then minus 1 over minus 3 over 2, 1 over 2, then 0. So your delta 1 will now be what? you pick this minus 4 into brackets. This multiplied by this is 0 minus this multiplied by this, as minus 1 over 4. Then minus, you know there's minus here, and the same thing we did here, minus 1 over 2, open our brackets, and block this out. So 0 minus 0 is still 0, 0 minus 0 2, 0 minus this 2 is still 0, so you don't have anything there. Then you come to the last one. You know there's always a plus here, plus times minus is minus, and you bring that 3 over 2 and you know cancel this out, you have this. So this multiplied by this, that's 0 minus this multiplied by this, as 0. So you don't have anything there except from this to evaluate. What will be your answer here? This minus this will be minus 1 over 4. Minus 4 times minus 1 over 4 should be 1. So we do for the second one. So the second one, you pick the 1 by 3 matrix and place it at the second row. So you have minus 4 0 0. Then this for here now, you just bring this one and this one and put it there normally. So 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Then minus 3 over 2 here too. Then 1 over 2, then 0. So like that, you come and solve for it as usual. Okay, so let us go on. 0 minus 0, you have picked this now, as 0 minus this is still 0. So for, remember there is always minus this, minus times minus will be plus. Plus 4 into bracket what? This multiplied by this is 0 minus this multiplied by this will give us minus 3 over 4. So when this one is minus 3 over 4, this one will change to what? Plus. We get, so this one will change to plus. You know, we took minus 4 here, and we are dealing with this and this. So this times this is 0, then plus this multiplied by this. So this one is having minus, and there's always minus here too before. So that's why it is that. Here we have plus, and there's a minus here also. So that will be what? Minus. So minus 3 over 2. Cut this one and this one out, and pick this. You have 1 over 2. No. This multiplied by this should be 0 now. So then this multiplied by this also should be 0. So you are dealing with only this. You have 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. So that should be 3 because 4 will cancel 4. So you remain 3 for this. And lastly, for the delta 3, you draw your matrix and you put the 1 by 3 matrix on the last place. So you have minus 4 0 0. Then you pick the number 2 and place it where it's supposed to be. So this one should be 1 over 2, 3 over 2, 1 over 2, minus 2, 1 over 2. Can you see? So let us solve as usual. Delta 3 is 0 into brackets. This multiplied by this is 0. Time minus this multiplied by this is also 0. That one is gone. Take the second one. Remember, minus 1 over 2. Then we are crossing out this and this. We focus on this. So this multiplied by this is 0. Minus this multiplied by this also is 0. Then we come to the last place. Plus times minus is minus 4 minus 4. So we are picking 4 now. So we are crossing out this. You have this multiplied by this. That should be 1 over 4. 1 over 4 minus, we also have another minus here. So this multiplied by this should be minus 3 because 2 will cancel 2. So since it's minus 3 and we also have minus 3, we have a plus 3. So what will our answer be? We are omitting this and this because it's going to amount to 0. So this will be what? 1 over 4 plus 3. Let's do that. 1 over 4 plus 3. So that's 13 over 4. And 13 over 4 multiplied by minus 4, that should be 13. Minus 4. So 13 over 4 multiplied by minus 4, that's minus 13 for this R3 and delta 3. So we now come and apply the law. V1 is equals to delta 1 over delta. What is delta 1? Delta 1 is 1 over delta 1 over delta. Delta 1 is 1. What is our delta? Our main determinant 4.38. So and that is should be 0 point something. 4.38. So that is 0.22. 0.23. But then for V2 we have delta 2 over theta. What is delta 2? That's 3 over 4.38. So 3 divided by 4.38, that should be 0.68. 0.68 volts. And lastly, the V3 will be delta 3 over delta, which is, or delta 3 is minus 13 over 4.38 minus 13.38. That's minus 2.96, 2.97 actually. So this is just how to calculate the voltage in this case. Thank you very much. Let's subscribe, let's like, let's share, let's comment. Thank you very much. The video of KVL will be coming out very soon also.